How to add a special offer to your Google business profile. Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can add a special offer to your Google business profile. If you want to give your customers a treat, you can do so by making use of Google Business. And then how do you do this? The first step is to log in, of course, into your Google Business account. After logging in, you will take it to a page where you'll see tools such as edit profile, read reviews, etc. Time you scroll down, you see your business name, you see category, you see location, etc. And then the next step is to click on the add update option, which is located below performance and in between Q&A as well as manage photos. So once you click on add updates, you take it to another page where you'd see three options such as the add update option, add offer, add event. So if you're working with the add offer, just go ahead and click on add offer. And then once you click on it, you'll be taken to a page where you can now continue with the offers options. Now, currently, I cannot do anything from here because I have not verified my account. But for you, please verify your account. Alright. So once you verified your account, or once you have your account verified, yours will not be displaying this. Instead, you will see options on how you can create this offer that is suitable for your customers. Okay, so just follow the instructions is listed, create the offer, upload it to your account, and then to be visible to all of your customers. So this is how we can add a special offer to your Google business. Very quick and easy. Thanks for watching.